Within the Settings menu, scroll to the bottom and find User Types. Next, choose New User Type located on the top right. Start by giving a name or title and a brief description if necessary. Then you could adjust the order of which the user types will appear in when being chosen. It is recommended to first grant or restrict all functions under the various headings. Since we are creating a practitioner, we can restrict access to the reporting section. If you prefer the practitioners to have access to only a few scheduling related reports, selecting the green Individual Reports button where available will provide a list of specific reports you might want to give or remove access to. Once you have finished adjusting the user type, select Save. You'll be sent back to the User Types page where they will be listed for future editing or deletion if need be. The final step is to assign the user type you have just created. Within the Settings tab, select either Administrator, Practitioner, or Employee from the Staff heading. Select the user and open the second tab labeled Login. Finally, select the drop-down menu next to User Type and choose the applicable type. Select Save and Exit. Thanks for watching.